अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Exercise 2.1. The question 1 part 1 is in which we solve the find the discriminant of following given quadratic equation. These are the quadratic equation and we find the discriminant of these equations. And the first is 2x square plus 3x minus 1, 2x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, and its discriminant is, we know the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. In this question a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 1. So we put the values of a, b and c in the discriminant. We find the b is 3 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is minus 1. Now let's solve. 3 square is 9 minus this minus multiply by when this minus we get plus, 4 2s are 8, 9 plus 8 is 17. It is the discriminant of part 1. And the part second is 6x square minus 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 3. And the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. We put the values of a, b, c in the discriminant, get minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a 6, c is equal to 3. Now simplify these values. Minus 8 square is equal to 64 minus 4 6 are 24, multiply by 3 is 72. And when we subtract 64 minus 72, get minus 8. And it is the discriminant of part 2. And the part 3 is 9x square minus 30x plus 25 is equal to 0, in which a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 30, c is equal to 25. And the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. We put the values of a, b and c in the discriminant, get minus 30 whole square minus 4 into 9 into 25. Simplify these values. Minus 30 square is equal to 900 minus 4 multiply by 25 get 100, 100 multiplied by 9 is equal to 900, and 900 minus 900 we get 0. And the next is fourth question, which is 4x square minus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0, in which a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 2. The discriminant b square minus 4ac. Put the values of discriminant mean A, B, C, we get minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 4 into minus 2. Minus 7 whole square is equal to 49. This minus multiplied by 1, this minus we get plus. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. And 49 plus 32 is equal to 81. Question 2, part 1 is x square minus 23x plus 120 is equal to 0. So we first find the discriminant of the question, and on the basis of discriminant find the nature of roots and then verify by solving this question. In the question, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 23 and c is equal to 120. So we first find the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. b is equal to minus 23 whole square minus 4, a is 1 and c is equal to 120. Now we solve. Minus 23 square we get 529 minus, and 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 120 we get 480. Simplify these values, we get 49, and 49 is the square of 7, and then discriminant is greater than 0. When we know the discriminant is greater than 0, it is a perfect square and the roots are real. So by verification, 5 x square minus 23x plus 120 is equal to 0. So we solve this question. To verify our result, discriminant is greater than 0, so it is a perfect square. And the roots are real and unequal. Now we solve this question to verify our statement. The roots are real and unequal. Let's solve it. X square minus, we cannot solve it. We solve it by factorization. X square minus 15x minus 8x plus 120 is equal to 0. Take common x minus 15 minus 8, x minus 15 is equal to 0, x minus 15, x minus 8 is equal to 0, x minus 15 is equal to 0, or x minus 8 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 8. Hence, the factor of these two quadratic equation, the value of x is 15 and 8. They are real, but they are not equal. Hence, roots are real and unequal. The second part is 2x square plus 3x plus 7. 2x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. So first we find the discriminant, in which a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 7. And the discriminant is b square minus 4ac, which is b square means 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 7. Simplify these values. 3 square is equal to 9 minus 4 twos are 6, 6 sevens are 42. 9 minus 42 is equal to 33. Sorry. 4 twos are 8, 8 sevens are 56. Here is 56. 9 minus 56 we get minus 47. So the discriminant is less than 0, means minus and which is less than 0. And when the discriminant is less than 0, the roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary and we tell it complex. Now we verify the equation. 2x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Here we cannot solve by factorization, so we direct apply the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. Put the values of a, b and c in the formula. We get minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 7 square root over 2 multiplied by 2. Now simplify these values. X is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square 9 minus 4 twos are 8, 8 sevens are 56 square root over 2 twos are 4. Now further solve the question. We get minus 3 plus minus 47 square root over 4, and we cannot solve it further, so it is a complex number, hence the roots are complex, and we call it imaginary also. And the third part of question 2 is 16x square minus 24x plus 9 is equal to 0, in which a is equal to 16, b is equal to minus 24 and c is equal to 9. So first we solve the discriminant, and we know that discriminant is equal to minus b square minus 4ac. So we put the values of a, b and c in the discriminant. Minus 24 whole square minus 4 into 16 into 9. Now solve it. Minus 24 square is equal to 576 minus When we multiply by 4, 16 and 9, we get also 576. And 576 minus 576 we get 0. And we know that when the discriminant is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Now we solve the question. 16x square minus 24x plus 9 by verification. Verify 16x square minus 24x plus 9 is equal to 0. We apply direct quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. Now we put the values of a, b and c in the quadratic formula. We get minus 24 plus minus 24 square minus 4 into 16 into 9 square root over 2 into 16. This minus, when multiply this minus, we get plus 24 plus minus 24 square is 576 minus the product of 4, 16 and 9 is also 576 square root over 32. Simplify this. 24 plus minus 0 square root over 32 is equal to 24 over 32 plus minus 0. Now we find the values of x. X is equal to 24 plus 0 over 32, or x is equal to 24 minus 0 over 32. Simplify these values. 24 over 32, which is equal to 3 over 4. And the other value is also 24 over 32, and x is equal to 3 over 4. And the both are real and equal. Hence, roots are real and equal. The fourth part of question 2 is x square plus 7x minus 13 is equal to 0, in which a is equal to 3, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 13. And first find the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. And we put the values of a, b and c in the discriminant, get 7 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 13. 7 square is equal to 49, minus, multiply by minus, get plus. 4 3s are 12 and 12 13s are 156. And the answer is 205. And we know that 205 is positive and it is greater than 0, but 205 is not a square of any number. and the roots are irrational, and unequal. Now we verify the question. 3x square plus 7x minus 13 is equal to 0. We apply here the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. In this quadratic formula, we put the values of a, b, c. We get minus 7 plus minus 7 square 4 into 3 into minus 13 square root over 2 multiplied by 3. Now simplify these values. We get minus 7 plus minus 7 square is equal to 49 plus 156 square root over 6. We get minus 7 plus minus 205 over 6, and we cannot further solve it, so it is the value of x, which is x is equal to minus 7 plus 205 square root over 6, and the other value of x is equal to minus 7 minus 205 square root over 6, and hence both the values are irrational and unequal. Hence the roots are irrational and unequal.